Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts becomes your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits becomes your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. By Mahatma Gandhi. And I say, I couldn't agree more with the saying. And if everything starts with a thought, it becomes quite simple, right? It doesn't mean that it won't take time. If we have a habitual pattern of negative, disempowering thoughts, it takes time to change that. But it's possible. I think the most important is to have the intention of changing the thinking patterns. Practice, 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 and over time, it becomes a habit that you might just enjoy.